Automatic bag closer machine. Switch on the main power. Then press the yellow button to activate the controlled conveyor movement, allowing the bag to pass smoothly across the closure nozzle for sealing. Take a material-filled bag and place its open end on the conveyor, ensuring the bag mouth faces the closure mechanism. The machine automatically detects the incoming bag and activates the closure system. The bag is securely sealed. For a larger size bag, adjust the height of the sealing stand by rotating the adjustment handle. Height adjustable sealing stand accommodates bags of different sizes and thicknesses. Dual control operation with push buttons and foot pedal provides ease of use and operational flexibility. Then switch on the machine, press the yellow button to activate the conveyor movement, and operate the foot pedal. The bag moves along the conveyor and passes smoothly across the sealing nozzle for proper closure. The bag is securely sealed using a double thread stitching mechanism, ensuring a strong and reliable closure.